Long form one, just a long version of short one. All we're going to be doing right now is understanding the concepts of this. The more you understand the concepts, the easier this becomes, okay? First half of this form is done just like short form one, except we have counters, okay? And you have a transitional step between each. So here's what I mean by this. I'm going to step out to a meditating horse. On short form one, we start with a right inward block. Now, instead of stepping straight back to do another inward block, we're going to counter after this block to a forward bow reverse punch. That means both feet turn forward. I'll face this way just so you have a side view of it. Right now, my feet are turned sideways. I'm in a right fighting stance facing 3 o'clock. When I turn to my forward bow, back foot turns all the way forward, back leg locks out, front knee is bent. My back foot should not be turned out this way, which is what most everyone does when they're in my class. I need that foot to turn completely because I need your hip to be rotating forward into that reverse punch. And that's where the power is coming from you turning that hip forward. So from a neutral bow, knees are here. When I turn, I'm going to here. And what I'm not doing from here is I'm not standing up, turning, and standing with both my legs straight. Okay? So again, from here, dropping back, right inward block. Now I'm going to turn into a forward bow, reverse punch. Now from here, I'm going to do my transition move, which I'm going to drop back to a cat stance, do a right inward block. On this cat stance, my weight distribution is 90% of my back leg, 10% of my front leg. So I'm going from this forward bow, and all I'm doing is transitioning and sitting back into it. I'm not standing straight up. The whole ball of my foot is rested on the floor with my heel raised up high. So from the forward bow reverse punch, I drop back to this cat stance, and I'm going to inward block that way. So that's what we're doing facing this way. Inward block, reverse punch, cat stance with the inward block. Now I'm going to step back into a left neutral bow, left inward block, forward bow reverse punch. From here, I'm going to cover out here, transitional, right inward block, left outward block. Then from here, I'm going to turn into a forward bow, reverse punch with that right. Now from here, cat stance. When I go into my transitional move here, my cat stance, I'm doing an outward block. So from here again, inward, outward, reverse punch, cat stance, outward block, dropping straight back. Now I'm doing another outward block with my right, forward bow reverse punch with my left. Now from here, I'm covering with my right, so that means I'm going to step over. I'm stepping over to my left right now. Here, as I turn my head, I'm going into a left outward elbow, left upward block, and I'm going to rotate into a forward bow, reverse punch. From here, my transitional motion, when I go to my cat stance, I'm doing an inward block with my left hand. Then I'm going to continue to step all the way back, upward block, forward bow, reverse punch. Now from here, taking that left foot, V-step it in, because I got to go to my last side. So from this position, I'm coming up, same concept, right over left. I'm going here into a downward block. From that downward block, I'm going to turn, forward bow, reverse punch. From here, when I do my cat stance, I am dropping my right arm down, and I'm going to end up with left over right on this one. So again, from this reverse punch, when I drop back, right arm comes down, forearm strike, left over right. I'm going to step straight back from there, from this cat stance. Left downward block, forward bow, reverse punch. Now, that's the whole first half of long form one. Second part of it, we're doing 3 blocks, just like we're doing short form one, but just doing 3 blocks each instead of 1. And we're doing it as though we're starting facing back here, which is 6 o'clock, and we're starting short form one from that perspective, second side, which is the left side. So from this forward bow reverse punch, I'm going to rotate back. Both feet turn back to a neutral bow. And when I get to here, only my torso is going to be moving. I'm going left inward, right inward, left inward. That's 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to step straight back and do the same thing here. Right inward, left inward, right inward. Now I'm going to cover step, facing what's 9 o'clock. And I'm going to go transitional motion here, left inward block. Then I'm going to go outward, outward, outward. That's right, left, right. Stepping straight back, doing the same thing on the other side. Left, right, left. Now from here, I'm going to cover, bring my left foot over, transitional motion, inward block here. Then we got 3 upward blocks from here, right, left, right. Step straight back, left, right, left. Now, I'm gonna cover so I can face forward now. I'm in a left neutral bow, dropping my right arm down, covering the left over right. I'm gonna wipe off that left arm and go 1, 2, 3, step straight back, 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm gonna V-step my way into a horse stance. From here, as I do that, I'm bringing my left arm in to do a forearm strike, 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. So from that last downward block, when I step up, 1, 2, 3. On 3, I cock my right hand up by my ear because I want to get in my palm inverted out, because from here, I'm going to rotate in and throw a forearm strike with my arms parallel to the ground here. So from this last forearm strike here, I'm going to rotate here, torque in, 1, 2, 3. From here, this hand's just going to open and it's going to come straight down as a push down. 1, 2, 3. Now from here, we got punches and they're coming in twos. So we got straight punch, right, left, then to the 45s, right, left, then hook punches, right, left, uppercut, right, left, here, and we close.